Hello. Let's set up your Luma surround Wi-Fi system. In a few minutes, your home will be filled with fast, secure Wi-Fi you'll love. To get started, you'll need a smartphone, the network cable and power adapter that come in the box with your Luma, as well as your existing modem. Now download the Luma app from the App Store. Create your account, and then answer a few questions so Luma can start customizing your network. First, tell Luma how many Lumas you'd like to set up. Then tell Luma what kind of home you have, a single family, apartment or condo, or townhouse or other, and how many floors. This will help Luma create the perfect home network. Next, tell Luma where your modem is located. Plug Luma into your modem using the network cable and connect Luma to power. Now, restart your modem. Once you restart your modem, the light ring will spin blue as it's working to create your Wi-Fi network. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. A moment of zen, brought to you by your friends at Luma. The light ring will blink green to let you know your new surround Wi-Fi network has been created. From there, just follow the app as it shows you where to place the other Lumas for optimal performance. Now that they're set up, these powerful little Lumas will immediately start working together to create your outrageously fast, ultra-secure surround Wi-Fi network. That's wall-to-wall fast Wi-Fi. The Luma app makes controlling your network as easy as the internet makes everything else. And with built-in network security, plus a content control right in the app, you'll never have to worry about your network again. This is the future of Wi-Fi you were promised. Enjoy it. Everywhere.
Keeping our home safe is important to all of us. Getting your house broken into sucks. It's not just the stuff that you lose, but because your home feels violated. What you want is to keep it from happening in the first place. And that's why we created Kuna, to help you prevent break-ins. This is Kuna. Kuna is a smart Wi-Fi camera built into an elegant outdoor light fixture. It detects people and alerts you. So you can see and talk to them on your smartphone.
Hey, could you leave the package out front? We're a little busy.
It's cool, man. We're in the future.
And it's the best way to actively prevent break-ins.
Most burglaries are crimes of opportunity. The burglars will actually knock on your door to see if you're home. And when they realize you're not home, they'll attempt to enter your house. Keeping them outside is the most important thing you can do, and Kuna allows you to do that.
You can deter burglars by talking to them or setting off Kuna's alarm.
Can I help you?
I'm selling magazines.
Yeah, no thanks.
They'll leave. And all this happens when they're still outside, before they even try to break in. Making your home safer shouldn't be a chore. For one of these, you have to climb in the attic, run wires, drill holes. It's a pain, and it's not cheap. That's why we built Kuna into an outdoor light. Just replace your old light fixture and use your existing wiring. Connect Kuna to Wi-Fi and you're done. It'll take 15 minutes. And we want Kuna to look good no matter where it is. So we're making it in 3 different styles to match your house. And you can put Kuna anywhere. Front door, back door, even the garage to watch your car. Oh, and your light gets smarter too. You can control it with the Kuna app. Turn it on, turn it off, set a schedule, or just let it turn on automatically when it gets dark or when there's a person. You only want to get alerts that matter. Kuna ignores trees and small animals, and it recognizes people's behaviors. So if you don't want to know every time your spouse goes out jogging, you can tell Kuna to alert you only for visitors waiting at the door. And it'll learn and get smarter over time.
Hey, baby.
There's a peace of mind that comes from knowing what's happening at your home. Whether it's your loved ones or the delivery guy, Kuna will always let you know. And if it's someone bad, now you can do something about it. Kuna. Stop break-ins before they happen.
Introducing Canary Flex, the wire-free, weatherproof HD camera that takes security to unimaginable places. Beautiful inside or outside. On sunny days or braving the elements. Plugged in or wire-free, in the middle of the night or the middle of a story. Seeing what's up or down. Catching furry little criminals or watching your new vase being delivered. Working alone or as part of a family. For here, down here, up here, here, or there. Under here, up here, there, or even in here. You know, with the valuables. For a million different things, engineered into one beautifully designed package. Canary Flex, the inside or outside, plugged in or wire-free, weatherproof HD security camera. Canary, live life in the know.